Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is I shouldn't have taken it out. I shouldn't have taken it out. मुझे उसे बाहर नहीं निकालना चाहिए था. Shouldn't का contraction यूज़ किया है. ये word है should not. Second, I shouldn't have done that. I should not have done that. मुझे ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था. 3. I don't know where I lost that. I don't know where I lost that. मुझे नहीं पता कि मैंने उसे कहाँ गुमा दिया. 5. 4. It's all your fault. It's all your fault. ये सब तुम्हारी गलती है. 5. It was my mistake that trusted you. It was my mistake that trusted you. ये मेरी ही गलती थी जो तुम पर एतबार कर बैठा. 6. How could you be so careless? How could you be so careless? तुम इतने लापरवाह कैसे हो सकते हो. 7. You gave me advice for the future. You gave me advice for the future. तुमने आइंदा के लिए नसीहत दे दी. 8. I was a fool who trusted you. I was a fool who trusted you. मैं ही बेवकूफ़ था जिसने तुम पर एतबार किया. 9. But now I want to correct my mistake. But now I want to correct my mistake. लेकिन अब मैं अपनी गलती सुधारना चाहता हूँ. ये I wanna जो wanna लफ्ज़ होता है वर्ड है, ये want to की जगह यूज़ किया जाता है. want to, I want to and I wanna. आप want to की जगह wanna यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Last one is 10. Pardon me for now. Pardon me for now. अभी के लिए माफ़ी दो. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. For speaking English, join my WhatsApp group given in the description. English बोलने के लिए description में दिया गया मेरा WhatsApp group join करें. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.